She's in heels and some little white shorts. You can't find the keys to unlock the doors. And I hope it rains on you. Maybe a little bit of lightning too. And I hope it comes from like some medicine of your day. Hey, hey. And I hope it rains. And I hope it rains. And I hope it
This is my latest dance. It's called I Hope It Rains. The song is I Hope It Rains by Jana Kramer. It's a 56 count, improver level line dance. It's one wall, but there are one tag and one restart. To start your dance off, your weight's on your left foot. You're going to walk, walk, cross, unwind, and your weight's on that right foot after you unwind. You're going to do a rock, step, walk, walk. The next 8 counts. Do a rock, step, shuffle back, play rock, step, walk forward. Next 8 counts, you're going to do a sway, sway, do a quarter shuffle, and a rocking chair. The next 8 counts, you're going to do a step hold, pivot a half a turn hold, step forward, touch, back, hook. Next 8 counts, you're going to do lock steps. Step, lock, step, scuff, step, lock, step, scuff. Next 8 counts. You're going to step forward, pivot a half a turn, make another quarter turn to your right, stepping left to side left, and touch your right. Then do a side, touch, touch. The last 8 counts. You're going to step forward, pivot a quarter turn left, do a weave, front, side, behind, quarter turn, step forward on your right, pivot 1/2 turn left. Your weight finishes on your left foot, you're ready to restart the dance again. Now I said there is a restart. The restart happens in the second rotation. All you're going to do is ignore those last 8 counts to your weave. So if you're doing your lock steps, you're going to do a step, lock, step, scuff, step, lock, step, scuff, step, half turn, quarter turn, touch, side, touch, restart the dance there. And the little tag is towards the end. What's going to happen here, you're going to start the dance off, you're going to walk, walk, you're going to cross unwind, you're going to rock back, and you're going to walk forward. The next 8 counts, we do a rock, step, shuffle back, and a rock, step, walk forward. Right here, you're going to do a little tag, which is 2 quarter turns to your left, step, quarter turn, step, quarter turn, and then you're going to restart the dance again. Again, this is called I Hope It Rains. The song is I Hope It Rains by Jana Turner, and I hope you enjoy the dance.